The Federal Capital Territory Emergency Management Agency FEMA says a chunk of the activities in 2023 bordered on flooding, building collapse, fire outbreaks, and provision of relief materials to affected persons. Speaking at an end-of-year press conference, FEMA's Acting Director General Mohammed Sabo says 12 people lost their lives, while 1,793 others were affected as floods, building collapses, and fire outbreaks caused damages in the territory in 2023.
We believe that emergency management is a bottom-to-top approach involving traditional rulers and local government authorities in managing flood and other emergencies. During the year under review, the agency inaugurated emergency marshals in the 6 area councils of the FCT to encourage community participation in disaster management. During the year under review, FEMA saved 1,845 lives through 24 calls on its 112 emergency toll-free number. 19 lives were, however, lost.
FEMA says the lives saved were through 24 calls on FEMA's toll-free number, to which the agency responded accordingly. Joy Igochi, ITV News.